Good morning, Ms. Kitana and everyone. My name is Samad Firazi bin Iskandar. Today I will be presenting my individual assignment on green logistic, which is focusing on Federal Express or Fedex. In this presentation, I will explain the concept of green logistic, discuss the issues and ethical challenges faced by FedEx, and finally share some recommendations for improving sustainability. So first, let me introduce the topic. Green logistic refers to logistic activities that aim to reduce environmental impact while still providing efficient transportation and delivery service. This includes reducing carbon emissions, using fuel-efficient vehicles, minimizing packaging waste, improving energy efficiency, and managing resources more responsibly throughout the supply chain. And FedEx is one of the world's leading logistic companies, operating in more than 220 countries and territories. The company provides services such as express delivery, freight forwarding, warehousing, customs brokerage, and supply chain management. Over the years, FedEx has built a strong reputation for fast and reliable deliveries. However, with increasing awareness of environmental issues, the company is now expected not only to deliver goods quickly but also to reduce its carbon footprint and operate in a more sustainable and environmentally responsible way. Now, let's look at some of the challenges in implementing green logistics. So the first issue is the high implementation costs. Adopting green technologies requires a significant investment. For example, electric delivery vehicles, solar power warehouses, and eco-friendly packaging materials are much more expensive than traditional alternatives. Because of these high costs, many small and medium-sized businesses struggle to adopt sustainable logistics practice. The second issue is the lack of infrastructure and technology. In many regions, there are still not enough charging stations for electric vehicles. Some transportation systems are also not well developed, making green delivery operations less efficient. In addition, limited access to advanced logistics technology slows down the transition towards greener supply chain operations. Besides the operational challenges, FedEx also faces several ethical issues. One major concern is the environmental impact of its transportation network. Since FedEx operates thousands of aircraft and delivery vehicles every day, the company produces a large amount of greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. Another important issue is employee welfare. During busy seasons, delivery drivers and warehouse workers often work long hours under high pressure to meet customer expectations. Therefore, FedEx must ensure fair wages, safe working conditions, proper training, and reasonable workloads to protect employee well-being. Lastly, the transparency and compliance are also essential. FedEx must provide accurate shipment tracking, protect customer information, and comply with environmental and labor regulations in every country where it operates. Maintaining these standards helps build customer trust and supports the company's long-term sustainability goals. And to improve sustainability, FedEx can adopt several best practices. Firstly, the company should continue expanding the use of electric delivery vehicles and alternative fuel technologies. This can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions, lower fuel costs, and improve air quality in urban areas. FedEx can also increase the use of renewable energy, such as solar power, at its logistic facilities. Secondly, FedEx should invest more in artificial intelligence or AI and data analytics. These technologies can optimize delivery routes, reduce unnecessary fuel consumption, shorten delivery times, and improve customer satisfaction while reducing driver fatigue. Finally, investing in employees is equally important. Regular training programs, workplace safety initiatives, and employee wellness programs will help improve productivity and create a healthier working environment. Combining technology with employee development will strengthen FedEx's long-term competitiveness and sustainability. So, in conclusion, FedEx demonstrates how a global logistic company can successfully provide reliable and efficient delivery services while working towards sustainability. However, achieving long term success requires more than operational efficiency. It also depends on environmental responsibility, ethical business practices, and continuous innovation. By investing in green technologies, improving employee welfare, and adopting smarter logistic solutions, FedEx can reduce its environmental impact while maintaining high quality customer service. Ultimately, sustainable logistics benefits not only the company but also customers, employees, society, and the environment. As the logistic industry continues to evolve, companies like FedEx must continue balancing profitability with social and environmental responsibility to achieve sustainable growth. So, thank you for the attention, and that's the end of my presentation.